everyone, today we're excited to introduce Meadow Tales. Before that, let us introduce ourselves first. I am J.M. Barbares from BSCS, together with
Jeremiah Balio from BSIT.
And Terence Suma from BSIT also.
Meadow Tales is a farming adventure game where you can create, explore, and grow your very own farm.
We'll walk you through the game mechanics step by step so you can see how everything works.
Let's dive into the world of Meadow Days.
The first core mechanic is farming. Players can plant seeds on tilled soil to grow crops. The first core mechanic is farming. Players can plant seeds on tilled soil to grow crops.
As crops grow, you will notice their stages of development. Once they're fully grown, you can harvest them and sell them for profit or use them for crafting and recipes.
Players can visit the market in the village. Simply interact with the vendor to open the selling interface.
Chopping down trees provides wood, which is used for crafting, building, and upgrading your farmhouse.
At the end of the day, you head back to the farmhouse. The house is more than just a place to sleep. It's your base of operations.
And that's Meadow Tales. We've covered farming, resource gathering, and inventory management. But there's so much more to experience.
We're excited for you to try it out and see what kind of farm you'll build.
Thank you for watching and welcome to Meadow Days.